Now we will discuss about a text box, how to insert a text box. Before that, we'll insert our new slide. We'll insert a new slide and we'll format that one. Slide, layout, we'll select a blank one. Okay, in a blank slide, I would like to insert a text box where I would like to write some description about a product. Okay, how to insert a text box here? We can go to insert text box, then click and drag. Once you are having here plus mark is there, place where from where you would like to draw the text box, click there and drag it. Click and drag the mouse so that you will be inserting a text box. Okay, once you have been inserted a text box, you can start writing about anything. Okay, like this you can start writing within a text box. Then all the arrangements, all the formatting, everything you can do. For example, if you like to give a border to your text box, select that text box, go to format, borders and lines. Again select the color to the borders, and you can change the line here itself, border weight, and the line type also you can change. Okay, this is about how to insert a text box in a your Google slide. Again, you can insert some of the shapes also here. Shapes are nothing but like inserting some of the box, or some of the symbols or arrow marks. Okay, call outs like a price offer. If it is there, you can select one call out and click here, and then right click and say edit text to write it something there. Okay, 50% off, like this. If you like to use the any of the shapes, you can use the shapes in your slides. Okay, shapes will be useful when you are constructing a flow chart. Okay, at that particular time, shapes will be any shapes you can use for your, based on your requirement. Again, you can drag. Okay, you drag and place. Then you can resize by selecting a corner and dragging. Okay, you can increase the length, like this we can do. And to write something within that shape, right click, edit text, right click, edit text. If you like to delete that one, select and hit delete key in your keyboard, delete. Okay, this is about inserting a text box and shapes.